guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. I've got some pumpkin pie French toast. Put a little syrup on there. That is the maple flavored monk fruit syrup. So I'm going to have this right now before it gets cold. I did taste the pumpkin mixture that you soak the bread in before I dip the bread in it to make sure it tasted good. This is so good. Wow. It's got pureed pumpkin, pumpkin pie spice. I used some just egg, but you could use any egg substitute you like. Probably garbanzo bean flour would be good if you don't want to get just egg or you can't get it. Vegan egg would also be good. Follow your heart, vegan egg. And some cashew milk. Just a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of the maple flavored monk fruit syrup. Whiz it all up in a blender. This is a very soft, tender bread. If you like your French toast to be custardy inside, use a soft bread. If you like a firmer French toast, use a firmer bread, like a French bread. I don't think a sourdough would be good. I don't know, maybe it would. Oh. That's some of my own churn style butter on top. Whenever I use something I make myself in a recipe, I make the name of it in the ingredient list clickable to the recipe on my blog. You'll see a slight difference in color if I link to a butter or a cheese or a plant milk that I make myself. So yeah, this recipe will be on my blog, and I will link to it in the description. I will also link to the previous video. Regular uploads Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I link to my videos in the description. Regular community tab posts Monday and Friday. I link to my community tab in the description. Occasional oddball videos and shorts on Wednesday. Occasional cat videos on Catterday. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks for watching till the end. I'm going to have one more bite for the road, and then I'm going to finish this off. It's a great breakfast, a great brunch. It's a nice Saturday morning or Sunday morning treat for the pumpkin season, the pumpkin pie season. So good. See you later, guys.